Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me guide you through creating a guest account in Windows 11. First, click the Start menu and select the Settings icon. In Settings, choose Accounts from the sidebar. Scroll down to Other Users and click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username. Note, you can use guess. Leave the password fields empty or set it once desired. Next, add restrictions. Open Computer Management from the Start menu. Go to Local Users and Groups. Then double-click Guest under the Groups folder. Click Add. Enter the new guest account name. Verify it and click OK. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.